Chaos erupted in Gutu district last Thursday when a known Central Intelligence Organization CIO operative, only identified by his nickname, Stavo, allegedly led an illegal citizen arrest and harassment of local villagers engaged in voluntary roadside grass clearing for school children's safety. Sanabena mashukon cons Iowa a CIO operative ukonzeresa chaos kwa Gutu no subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina panapa mauda mnyogwa mchenzi. The incident occurred at around 11 a.m. when Stavo, driving a red Honda Fit, reportedly linked to previous political violence, blocked a highway and aggressively confronted a local resident who was part of the roadside maintenance initiative. The confrontation escalated when 4 men exited the vehicle and surrounded the men in an intimidating formation. Soon after, Gutu Ward 35 ZANU-PF Councillor and former Rural District Council CEO Dandira arrived in a white Nissan twin cab, accompanied by a group of party supporters. According to eyewitnesses, Dandira's entourage appeared ready to engage in violence, causing alarm among villagers, most of whom were armed only with sickles and slashers used for clearing the roadside. This followed a morning campaign convoy involving ZANU-PF officials in which an unregistered green Ford Ranger believed to belong to the CIO transported rally equipment through the same road. The villagers say Stavo, previously seen at political gatherings and bars in the area, has developed a reputation for bullying and harassment in the district. During the confrontation, Stavo reportedly seized a mobile phone from local parent Tendai Jaiben, which had $300 tackled inside its cover. When the phone was returned 5 hours later, the man was missing. Jaiben said she was never informed about who had taken the money or why she had been detained. Stavo is said to have shouted, "You have been arrested," without identifying himself or presenting valid credentials. Ndomashwari kuno kwakunzi aiwa CIO operative okonzeresa chaos zvashamisa vanhu kuti in an act inoonekwa kunzi it is an act of violence, anouya achiintimidata macitizens vari innocent. Vidai kumasection medu muzemafungiro enyu muri kudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Musangano subscribe or like, cheta on the bell icon.